This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 370 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 6 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, awning, DVD player, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, microwave, Colorado detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 370 FLS is 11,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.